Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to sell products as a TikTok affiliate 2026. So guys, you don't need a website, inventory or followers to actually make money off of TikTok in 2026. And in this video I'll show you how to exactly sell products as a TikTok affiliate step by step. So your first step is joining the TikTok affiliate program. So all you need to do is open up TikTok. It could be TikTok on your mobile device, it could be TikTok on your web. Now, once you have open TikTok, simply move from your For You page to your profile. So move from For You to the profile menu. And once you're on profile, you should find the option to access the TikTok shop. Now, the TikTok shop varies depending on your region. You may have access to it in some cases, and in other cases, you do not have access. So, for those with access, once you're at the profile menu, click on the TikTok shop and click on Affiliate Center. Now, once you're on the Affiliate Center of TikTok, simply apply and get approved. So now, once you have been approved, you can now promote your products and earn commissions per sale, basically. So I'll go over it again. So open up TikTok, head over to your profile menu. Once you're on the profile menu, depending on your region, you should have access to the TikTok shop. And simply click on the TikTok shop and select Affiliate Center. And then once you're on the Affiliate Center, you should find the option to apply for the TikTok affiliate program. So you should find the TikTok affiliate program available for use in your region. And then all you need to do is simply apply and you will be given access to it. All right, guys. So moving on from there, the next step is to choose a winning product. So don't promote random items. That's the worst thing you can do as a affiliate marketer. Simply promote, or rather look for products that are already trending on TikTok. You can use the TikTok Creative, that's the creative center of TikTok, to simply find the latest trends. So when you log on to ads.tiktok.com, and this is the TikTok Creative Center, just head over to trends and then head over to either hashtags, creators, or trends overview. So when you click on this, you'd be introduced to what is trending at the moment on TikTok. And then you can take inspiration from there and simply use these to simply curate your work. So as you can see in hashtags, we have Five Nights at Freddy. So you should use the hashtag when you're adding your products. All right. Now, also look for high commission products or items, clear problem and a solution. So, like I said, if people have problems, if people do have problems with their lamps, you should be able to sell lamps that do not cause issues, that do not have problems. That way, your sales can be maximized and you earn a really good commission from whatever company you are affiliating for. All right. Now the other thing is make sure your item is affordable. So make sure it has affordable pricing and it's something people can look to buy. Because if creators are already selling, then that is the validation. All right. So next thing is adding your products to your showcase. So once you find the product on the TikTok Affiliate Center, that's on the TikTok Affiliate menu, uh, in the TikTok shop, that's in the Affiliate Center, simply click on showcase. Now, once you find a product, click on add to showcase, and this product will appear on your profile. So it's going to appear right here in your showcase, and every sale ends your commission automatically. You don't need a store. So you just need to add the product to your showcase, and you're good. And another step is creating short form sale videos. So this is where the money is actually made. TikTok is one of the best platforms for advertisements as the videos can be broadcasted to a wider range of viewers, people who agree with the product and people who do not. And that way you have noise about your product. And where there's noise, there's commission. And where there's commission, there's profit. So, uh, the best video formats are the problem first and then a solution, and then the before of using the product, and then after using the product, and then your first time reaction to it, and also the usual I didn't expect this to work hashtag for a product. So you should use these video formats or video examples when you want to create your content, and simply hook your viewers in the first 2 seconds. That's the best way to get audience retention. All right. And last but not least, go ahead and post consistently. So simply post 2 to 3 videos for faster results. Make sure your videos are always up to date. Make sure your followers are, engaging with your posts. And it's more of what you have to offer them on your content that keeps them coming and hungry for more. So make sure to keep this in mind while you are posting or creating content. And also, TikTok pushes volume, not perfection. So one viral video can outperform 100 average ones. So look for quality before quantity. All right. And also optimize what works. So when a video performs well, don't forget to repost it. Don't forget to change the hook and also use similar products for the next videos and double down on that format. So if before versus after works for your content, simply make that the basis of your affiliate marketing. And all right, guys, so that's how people are making money on TikTok affiliates. Comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.